We're back with Rob Wenzel from Novak Heating and Cooling. And Rob, your team has been busy this morning. Take us through what they've been doing inside and outside.
Yeah, so outside we re-cleaned all the refrigerant out of the air conditioner, started getting that part disconnected, and then our guys got down here and started ripping out this old furnace and taking apart a lot of the old ductwork and cutting all the PVC and gas piping and electrical loose.
And bringing in the new equipment.
Bringing in the new system, yeah, getting ready to go. So they're gonna go ahead and kind of continue this cleanup process. You know, a lot of times underneath the furnace, there's a lot of garbage and things that you just never get to see until we tear it out. So we're gonna get that nice and clean. We're gonna clean up the metal work, and then we're gonna start getting this in place. We'll start fabricating new ductwork and figuring out kind of the real tricky spot as far as how we reconnect everything and put it all back together.
And here for this replacement process, you're going to get it all done today, right?
Yeah, we're going to get it all done today, but this is kind of the component that takes just a little bit of time. We have to figure out how to make a system that's different size, fit, you know, in this existing home with the different ductwork, and how we're going to make that all work and make it work efficiently.
And again, that's the key in terms of the ductwork and the efficiency that comes with this, right?
Yeah, newer equipment, it's very technical. We want to make sure we dial everything in correctly. So that means airflow, gas pressure, make sure all the wiring is done correctly. There's just a lot of factors we want to make sure are right on, so this system's going to last a long time.
Well, it's neat for us, Rob, to be here through the process. We'll let your guys continue to do, and then we'll come back and check in again.
Sounds great.
Well, Rob, your team's been hard at work. The new items are in place. Walk us through the startup and the inspection process now.
Yeah, thanks. So the guys are just starting to wrap up and clean up here. Next steps are we're gonna go through and turn the power onto the system. We're gonna give it a call for heating, and then Adam here is gonna get down in there and he's gonna check the gas pressure, make sure that comes on correctly. He's gonna check blower speeds, make sure we have the right amount of air flowing through the system. He's going to check the drain, make sure all the moisture is coming out properly. He's going to check all the PVC fittings and everything we've done to make sure there's no leaks. He's going to kind of double check his electrical connections in that process as well. And then make sure everything's started up and running properly for us.
As you fire up this new system, will there be a smell coming off the new equipment?
Yeah, so, you know, furnaces during the manufacturing process, they get a little bit of oil and stuff on them just from the way they're built. So when we fire that thing up, it's probably going to give off just a little bit of smoke and a little bit of odor. It usually goes away after a day or so, but sometimes it'll set off the smoke alarms.
And that's not unusual.
That's pretty common.
Yeah.
It usually means it's the end of the day for us.
It's a new system, so for the homeowner, a learning curve, is there much learning in terms of to operate and maintain it?
Yeah, I mean, just like any piece of equipment, we recommend routine maintenance on this just to make sure everything's running properly. But we're going to walk through the system with the customer and kind of explain how it operates, what to expect out of that new equipment, you know, some advice on maybe how to change the filter, you know, how that's done properly. With this system, we have the new humidifier on there. There's a pad that goes inside that, and that needs to get changed out yearly as well.
So not too much of a learning curve in terms of understanding, but they need to be aware of some things like that.
Yeah, I mean, just important things to watch for, and especially air filters, we want to make sure those stay clean and change regularly.
What can the homeowner expect in terms of the system performance and efficiency?
Well, it just depends on what we pulled out. You know, this system was older and a little less efficient. You know, the new system here is, you know, 96.5% efficient. So this new stuff is much higher in efficiency, which means, you know, you should see quite a bit of reduction in your utility bills.
And that's always a good thing here on Powerhouse. And I imagine much quieter. I know the homeowner said the old one was noisy.
Yeah, those old Pulses were pretty noisy units. But yeah, these new ones, the blowers are much more efficient. They just move the air a lot smoother through your home. Even the burner cabinet, when that comes on, it's a little noisier, but once we put that door on, it makes it real nice and quiet and really drops that noise level down for you.
Well, the energy efficiency and the comfort level for the homeowner will certainly be appreciated with your new system.
Yeah, absolutely. They're going to have this for many years to come.
Rob, this has been a great overview, especially for anyone who might be anticipating an HVAC upgrade in their near future. Thanks for letting us tag along. And if you'd like more information about assessing the condition or the efficiency of the HVAC in your Powerhouse, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.
According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, the ideal relative humidity for a home is between 30 and 50%.